चंद्रकांत केणी गोयच्या कोंकणी सामाजीक आनी पत्रकारितेच्या मळार वावुरपी फामाद आनी नामनेची व्यक्ती. मडगांवां आख्या पांडवा चॅपेल स्क्वेराचें नांव बदलून चंद्रकांत केणी स्क्वेअर करपाचो नगरपालिकेचो ठराव घेतिल्लो. मात कांय आंकेकारांक ही गजाल मानवल्ली ना.
We were informed about 2-3 days back that there was a resolution passed by the Margao Municipal Council that area locally and historically known as Pandawa Chapel was sought to be renamed as Chandrakant Keni Square. Now, after we came to know about this, there was some unrest in Aquem, and people came together, and they were of the impression that their opinion was not sought before such a resolution was passed, and changing something, changing a name without consultation with the people, they did not find it right. So we have filed a representation to the chairperson and the chief officer today, saying that they should not go ahead with this renaming program which they had scheduled actually on the 3rd.
आंकेकारांची हरकत मतीन धरून 3 तारखेर दवरिल्ली नांव बदलपाची कार्यावळ सध्या तरी नगरपालिकेन रद्द केल्या.
And the petition that came to us was signed by prominent people from Margao, and the first signatory, the person who had signed it, was also the MLA of Margao. And it was when I read this agenda, the resolution was proposed by Mr. Avinash Shirodkar, who is the councillor of that area. So the council, when so many people are saying that it is so, the council had no reason why not to take it. And when the representatives themselves, the elected representatives themselves propose it, so we went ahead and we took the decision that it be named as Chandrakant Keni Square, rather than taking it or stretching it to an extent whereby it sort of causes a kind of an unrest or an unpleasant situation in the city. As responsible people in the council, we have decided that we shall not have the function on 3rd of February, and this decision will require more. We need to deliberate on this issue more.
Prudent खातीर साव्यो डायस.